Okay. Thank you. Mystery box by Royal Enfield. Let me just open it. What is this? Okay, this. Wow, this is a wind cheater. Okay. This is a gloves. Oh. Whoa, socks. Alright. Got this amazing. Welcome. Thank you. What is this? Oh my god, is this a helmet? Wow. Ooh, this is a helmet. Right, let me see. Yes, this is what I got. This is a Royal Enfield. Very lightweight helmet. She got in the mystery box. So it says 1.5 1.5 kgs plus 50 grams. So it's pretty good. This is what I got. Plus, right, this is what I got. So I got this helmet. It's pretty nice helmet. This is a wind cheater, and this is a gloves. So these were the things inside the mystery box.